Nice and low. Up in the bow, slow it down. Alexander, eyes up. You're catching early. Brandon Smith, lay back at the finish. Chest up, Brandon. Alexander, lay back at the finish. Lay back. More, more, more. Lay back, shoulders past the hips. There you go. A little bit more, a little more. Alexander, lay back. Swing back more at the finish. Adam, way enough. You see that pole?